Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn about pie chart. The earliest known pie chart is credited to William Playfair for his statistical breviary of 1801, in which two such graphs are used. Playfair presented an illustration which contained a series of pie charts. One of those charts depicted the proportions of Turkish Empire located in Asia, Europe and Africa. Pie chart is named for its resemblance to a pie which has been sliced, and there are variations on the way it can be presented. A pie chart is a circular statistical graphic which is divided into slices to illustrate numerical proportion. In a pie chart, the arc length of each slice is proportional to the quantity it represents. Pie charts are widely used in the business world and the mass media. Limitations of pie chart. Following are the points to be considered while drawing or using a pie chart. We can plot only one data series in a chart. None of the values that we want to plot are negative or zero. We can plot 6 to 7 categories to have better clarity. The categories represent parts of the whole pie. Now let us see an example of pie chart. Open a new presentation, go to Insert tab and click on Charts. A pop-up appears with lot of chart templates. Under these templates, you go to pie chart. Select appropriate pie chart. I have taken the first model and then click OK to insert pie chart. Now we got a pie chart along with the Excel sheet. I took the example of family expenses in the pie chart. So whatever expenses happened in a family, I entered as a data point. We can do formatting of pie chart as per our requirement. To change the font of the chart, go to Home tab and change the font type in the ribbon. The size of the chart can be resized by simply dragging the borders. The title of the chart can be changed by selecting and typing the appropriate text in the title box. In pie chart, we can include both value and percentage contribution of data series at a time in data labels. To change data label, select on data label and right click on the same. Go to format data labels and select percentage to view pie chart in percentage. Legends can be placed at any sides of the chart, whereas the size of the pie chart varies according to the legend position. Refer the video to see how the pie chart size varies according to the legend position. We can format the template of pie chart with unique color too. To change the template, go to Design tab and change the template under Chart Styles tab. Chart styles have many more options which can add more visual effects to our chart. We can give border between each categories, convert to polished image and so on. Pie chart to have various variants which we will discuss in the next video. Thanks for watching and keep watching.